Hello everybody, welcome to my workbench again. In front of you can see our oscilloscope, a combination of oscilloscope, wobulator, curve tracer and a frequency meter even. So now he's been on my bench for some time, and I built that a couple of years ago. I was on YouTube then when I built that, so it's on another channel. And if you get over my call, what you see normally, and you can go to that site, and then you can see the documentation of that build. Alright, but anyways, I wasn't completely satisfied with how the thing worked, and I'll tell you why. I had some RF coils in there, 180 microhenries, there's resistor types, and I felt they weren't working properly. So in the past, as a couple of years ago, I did wind some coils, and for 180 microhenries. So was my project before. I told you about that as well. I showed you I wound some on a resistor. And I don't think I want to mention, if you put something on a resistor, that has an immediate effect on the Q of that coil, okay? So you have to take that into account. Anyway guys, I wound some new ones, so you can see the front of this. I will turn that thing around, and well, we'll show you that, alright? Alright guys, you can see the side of it. You can see the transformers and the rectifying valve here, the power transformer, and a smaller power transformer. And these are the coils I'm talking about, so we'll get it close up and you can see it better, right? Alright guys, you can see the 4 coils I did wound that right here. There are those smaller resistor coils. I will get them out. It took me a couple of years, so I put it aside on the bench, and I left it, and I left it, and I left it, and I left it, and I'm doing other projects, and didn't get done. And I'm in the process of doing this, so I'll loose wires in here, so I'll do that off camera, and then you can see for yourself that I will do a little test. You can see the workings of that oscilloscope combination. So that's so far as I go with this video. You can see the wiggling of the wires, and you have the airco on. So it is 30 degrees outside. So, and if the sun is on this in the morning on my workshop, so you can imagine how high the temperature gets here. So anyway guys, so far so good. I will come back to you when I all installed this, and we are ready to make a test, alright? There you go guys, you can see the little coils I put in. So they are a lot better than those resistor coils I'm having. I put them on the bench here somewhere. There you go. There you go, they are the smallest 180 microhenries coils, so they are 180 microhenries. So you can do that by yourself by using that little wire. The best wire is the single strands. There's more strands in there, 3 or 4, 7 I think, but I believe 7 strands are in that. Yeah, I think the single strand works better. I think your coil will be a bit bigger to achieve that self-inductance, but yeah, I think it will be working better, okay? Anyway guys, this will concludes our video. Anyway, you notice perhaps I got this one out. He's there, and well, I didn't trust him. I checked with my meter, it was only 6 mega ohms, and I thought by myself, well, he's leaking. He wasn't. That capacitor is perfectly alright. So I put another one in there that he can handle 1500 volts, so leave him in there. So that'll be it, guys. Thank you for joining me on my channel, and I will see you next time on that. Also, what is that? I have to make an update of that, so let's have a look. My memory is not me what it was. Let's have a look, mate. What was it? Oh, our generator. Oh, frequency generator. Wave and block generator. I have to replace some capacitors in there because I wasn't satisfied. Okay, guys, I shall conclude this video with this, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Well, in front of you see my oscilloscope working. Well, it's not a very high frequency oscilloscope. It is about 3 megahertz. That's about the frequency you can handle. 3.5. I think it's not bad for a self-built oscilloscope. You can see the amplitude. Can work nicely. So anyway, guys, we achieved what we want to achieve. The coils are in, and you can see it is. I checked them now from the lowest part until the highest part. Is on the highest part, so there's 3 megahertz or a little above that. That's not bad going, is it? So what I'm going to do next is to cover them up again, and what I can do is show you what I've done. So I will switch them off and then I'll come back to you, okay?